Alright, let's talk DJI, because the hype around the Mini 5 Pro is getting real. If you thought the Mini 4 Pro was impressive, wait until you see what DJI might be cooking up next. Stick around because this could be the drone that changes everything. This isn't just some wishlist rumor mill. We've got FCC filings, trusted leakers, and even legit battery specs. If it all holds true, the Mini 5 Pro could be a game changer. Staying under 249 grams and bringing a 1-inch sensor, LiDAR obstacle avoidance, and maybe even a whopping 50 minutes of flight time. That's insane for a drone this small. So when is it coming? Reliable DJI insiders like Jasper Ellens and OcuSync are pointing to a September 2025 release that lines up perfectly with DJI's usual 2-year cycle. But the FCC filing from May 2025 is the real clue. The confidentiality agreement expired on May 27, meaning manuals and images could drop any day now. Yeah, DJI's being quiet, but the Mini 5 Pro is real, likely in production, and probably launching by late summer or early fall. Now about those specs, this is where it gets exciting. That FCC label, it showed a 4,680 mAh battery. That matches rumors of 50-minute flight time, a major upgrade over the Mini 4 Pro's max of 45 minutes. That extra time could mean no more landing mid-shoot for creators. But here's the tricky part. Weight. Staying under 250 grams means no registration in most countries. That's huge. But with LiDAR, a larger sensor, and beefier motors, DJI might cut it close. Expect a lightweight battery for under 249-gram flights, and a plus battery option that adds time but pushes you over the limit. It's smart. Casual flyers and pros both win. Now the camera. Rumors say 1-inch sensor. That's a big jump from 1.3-inch on the Mini 4. More light, better color, Air 3 level quality in a pocket-sized drone? Yes, please. And LiDAR. This is the wild card. If it's real, it'll bring pinpoint obstacle avoidance even in low light. That would be a first for drones this size. You're also looking at OcuSync 4 Plus, with 25-30 km range, vertical shooting for TikToks and Reels, and possible onboard audio recording. That would be a game changer. Charging is rumored to jump to 65-watt fast charging, way better than the Mini 4's 30 watts. Add in upgraded motors, better wind resistance, maybe even level 6 tolerance. Yeah, this thing could handle more than just calm skies. As for price, estimates say $85 to $900. That's a bump, sure. But if all this tech is packed in, it might actually be one of the best value drones of the year. Now here's the big question for you. Would you choose the lightweight standard version, or go all in with the plus battery and extra flight time? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're as hyped as I am, hit like, smash subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.